Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of save the persistence variable to the recipe. In a project where persistent variables have been created, if the following operation is performed, it may cause changes in the values of persistent variables. Through the following operation, we can ensure that the values of persistent variables remain unchanged. First, let's look at the results of modifying without saving to the recipe. The variables in the current persistent variables table have numeric values. Let's go straight to one of the three operations mentioned earlier. You can see that the variable value is cleared. Reassign the variable and save it to the recipe. You can see that the variable value is cleared. Values previously saved in the recipe can be returned to the current variable in the recipe. When the value changes again and needs to be saved to the recipe, it can be read directly in the recipe. About save the persistence variable to the recipe. That's all. Thank you.